Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kijiji app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kijiji is a popular classifieds app that allows users to buy and sell a wide variety of items locally, from furniture and electronics to vehicles and services. The app features easy-to-use search filters, location-based listings, secure messaging, and category organization to help users quickly find or post items. It also provides options for promoting listings for better visibility. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Kijiji for its large, active community and the convenience of buying or selling items directly within their local area. The app's interface is simple and responsive, and the messaging system allows buyers and sellers to communicate easily. Many users also like the ability to save favorite listings and receive notifications for new items matching their interests. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some listings can be outdated or inaccurate, and there are occasional reports of scams, requiring users to exercise caution. Premium features for promoting listings come with additional costs, and the app may experience occasional slow loading or crashes in high-traffic areas. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Kijiji app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient platform to buy and sell locally. It excels in ease of use, search functionality, and local community reach. However, if you're concerned about scams or don't want to use premium listing features, extra caution is needed. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.